Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to install wall panels using a drill and spikes, one of the hottest home design trends for 2024. Wall panels can add texture, depth, and character to any room. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather tools and measure. You'll need wall panels, a measuring tape, a level, a saw, a drill, spikes, adhesive, and safety gear like gloves and goggles. And then measure the height and width of your wall to determine how many panels you'll need. Step 2. Prepare the wall. Next, prepare your wall. Clean the surface to remove any dust or debris. If your wall is uneven, use sandpaper to smooth it out. A clean, smooth surface will help the panels adhere better and look more professional. Step 3. Cut the panels. Now, it's time to cut the panels. Measure each panel carefully and use a saw to cut them to the correct size. Remember to wear safety gear when cutting. Making precise cuts is important to ensure the panels fit together seamlessly. Step 4. Apply adhesive. Apply adhesive to the back of each panel. Make sure to use a good quality adhesive that's appropriate for your wall material. Spread the adhesive evenly to ensure a strong bond. This will help hold the panels in place as you secure them with spikes. Step 5. Drill pilot holes. This will make it easier to drive in the spikes and prevent the wood from splitting. Make sure the holes are evenly spaced and aligned with the studs in your wall. Step 6. Install the panels with spikes. Now it's time to install the panels. Press each panel firmly onto the wall and align it with the pilot holes. Use your drill to drive the spikes through the holes and into the wall studs. This will securely fasten the panels in place. Step 7. Check for level and adjust. After securing each panel, check for level and make any necessary adjustments. Ensuring the panels are perfectly aligned will give your wall a professional, polished look. And there you have it. A stunning wall panel installation using a drill and spikes that adds depth and character to your room. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with your own DIY tips and experiences. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home improvement projects